Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set which categories you want to display on the map while using the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner and tap on Settings, which is the third option. Click on Route Planning and Navigation at the top. Then scroll down to the navigation section and then click on the Places on Route button. And here you can select these preferred categories that you would like to display on the map, such as accommodations, bank ATMs, charging stations, city guides, eating, drinking, emergency, entertainment, parking, petrol station, and so on. So click on the relevant one, and here you can select the more narrow categories, such as in the case of shopping, you can set accessories, books, children's toys, fashion, and so on. So click on the relevant buttons on the right side, and here you can select other categories as well. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.